channel Learn and Win with Chaitanya Dattatreya. In my last video, I had updated how one can grow anthurium plants in their home garden. In my today's video, I'll be updating how to grow anthurium plants, that is how to propagate your anthurium plants from anthurium seeds. See, you can see this flower. This flower is bearing a light orange colored fruit as you see in this video. These are nothing but the fruits that are bared in a anthurium flower. I am plucking one of the seed here. This is orange colored seeds. It is very pulpy, and inside the fruit you can see the seeds here. So inside the fruit there is a pulpy layer, and inside that you can see a seed like this. So this is the seed of the anthurium, and I'll be showing you how to propagate plants from the seed of the anthurium. Let me take a plastic plate like this. I have some coconut fibers with me, and I am putting the coconut fibers inside this plate this way. I have nicely arranged the coconut fibers inside this plate. Now I take a bottle of water and I am adding water to this. After adding water, I am pressing this and I am preparing a bed of coconut fiber in my plate. Now, as I have already showed you, I take a fruit and I press this. I take a fruit and I press this. Now you can see a seed in my hand. This seed I am placing it on the coconut fiber. Similarly, I have one more seed here which I have pressed already. That seed I am placing little far away, this way. One more fruit I pick up and I am pressing it so that there is no pulpy layer inside, and I am placing the seed on the fiber. Now I have placed many seeds on the fiber. After placing many seeds on the fiber, just sprinkle some water every day. Don't sprinkle more water because the roots might rot and the roots might decay. So sprinkle some water. See through it, the fiber is little wet. When you do that, the seeds germinate and the seeds bear a plant like this, what you can observe. So this is the coconut fiber, and every day I have watered this. So seeds germinate. First a single leaf arises like this. After some days you can observe 2 leaves. Then after some days the plant will grow up this way. So you will have to prepare a bed inside the plate made out of fiber. Daily you water it. After putting the seeds germinate and you can observe small plants coming up this way. See, I have taken a plastic spoon. I have filled some fiber, coconut fiber inside that, and I have planted a small anthurium plant inside this. It's very pretty, and even anthurium plants will grow up in this fiber in small pots like this. After it becomes little big, you can place it in a small pots this way. Using coconut fiber will help the plants, the root of the plants, to hold very firmly, and the plants will grow very nicely. This way, from the seeds you can propagate many plants as you wish, and you can grow beautiful anthuriums like this. Hope my video was very useful to you, and I request all my friends to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.